Welcome again, students. Second chapter, New Kings and Kingdoms, is being discussed. And now we have to take this next topic, a closer look, the Cholas. We have to discuss about the Chola kingdoms, and also we have to discuss about the splendid temples. First, we can put up name a minor chiefly family in the Kaveri Delta. Name a minor chiefly family in the Kaveri Delta. Students, this chiefly family was Mutteriyar. The name of chiefly family was Mutteriyar, who held power in the Kaveri Delta. They were subordinate to the Pallava kings of Kanchipuram. In this context, next question can be put up: who was Vijayalaya? Vijayalaya belonged to the ancient chiefly family of Cholas from Uraiyur. In the middle of the 9th century, Vijayalaya captured the Kaveri Delta from Mutteriyar. The successor of Vijayalaya conquered neighboring regions. And in this regard, there is a very important question that how did the Cholas rise to power? How did the Cholas rise to power? In the middle of 9th century, Vijayalaya captured the Kaveri Delta from Mutteriyar. The successor of Vijayalaya conquered neighboring regions, and these neighboring regions were the Pandya and the Pallava territories to the south and north. These territories were made part of this kingdom. In this concern, we have to discuss about the two most important rulers of Chola dynasty. Mention about the two most important rulers of Chola dynasty. Rajaraja I, considered the most powerful Chola ruler. He became the king in 985 AD. Rajaraja's son Rajendra I, also considered the most important ruler of Chola dynasty. Now we have to discuss about a temple, and this temple was related to goddess Nishum Sudni, who built a temple for goddess Nishum Sudni. Vijayalaya built a temple for Nishum Sudni. He also built the town of Tanjore. Students, regarding temples, there is a very important question: what were the activities associated with Chola temples? We can also put up how did Chola temples become the nuclei of settlements. Students, a Chola temple was not only a place of worship but also the hub of economic, social, and cultural life. These temples often became the center of settlements which grew around them. Temples were center of craft production. Thus, apart from the priests, we find a number of people who engaged in various activities were associated with a Chola temple. They were garland makers, cooks, sweepers, musicians, dancers, and crafts people, etc. So, students, we have discussed some important questions from this topic, and in this regard, we can also discuss about the agriculture and irrigation. During 5th or 6th century, this area was opened up for large scale cultivation. So in this context, there is a question that what were the steps taken during 5th or 6th century to develop agriculture in the Tamil Nadu region. We can also put up that what kind of irrigation works were developed in Tamil Nadu region. During 5th or 6th century, this area was opened up for large scale cultivation. Forest had to be cleared in some regions. Land had to be leveled in other areas. In the delta region, embankments had to be built to prevent flooding and canals had to be constructed to carry water to the fields. In some areas, wells were dug, huge tanks were constructed to collect rainwater. Most of the new rulers as well as people took active interest to develop agriculture. Now, these are some important key terms from this topic. A closer look, the Cholas. Mutteriyar, a family of Mukhya or chief in the Kaveri Delta. Students, as I have discussed, Mutteriyar held power and they were subordinates to the Pallava kings of Kanchipuram. Expeditions. Expeditions means journey for a special purpose, as of wars. Sculpture. Sculpture means the art of carving on stone, wood or clay. Architectural and sculptural marvels means outstanding and quite different, completely different designs of temples and idols. Nuclei. Nuclei means the central part or important part. And last keyword, distinctive. Distinctive means outstanding, we can say finest. So we have discussed today this topic, a closer look, the Cholas. Thanks.